Are you teaching your kids to get a job? I teach mine to create them. There's nothing wrong with working, but if the highest ambition you pass down is for them to find a good job, you're training them for dependence. I want my kids to understand how money is made, how value is created, how risk works, how payroll feels, how responsibility feels. A job teaches you how to follow structure. Creating jobs teaches you how to build structure. One asks for permission, the other gives opportunity. Most people prepare their children to fit into systems. I'm preparing mine to understand systems. And if they chose to work for someone one day, it will be from strength, not necessity.